Okay, this video is about how to connect a quiz from Interact to your Klaviyo and send personalized follow-ups based on quiz results. I'm going to start in Klaviyo, and the first thing I'm going to do is create a list. I'm going to create a list specifically for this quiz. You don't have to do that. You can use an existing list. I'm going to call this skin type quiz. We're going to be making a skin type, and I'm going to go ahead and create that list. Now you'll see that it's here under lists and segments. Skin type quiz. Next step is to go over to Interact. I'm going to click Create New Quiz. I am going to scroll down and select Skincare as my category. And I'm going to choose this What's Your True Skin Type template. I'm going to load that into the builder. And then I'm going to go down to Lead Generation. Toggle this on. Set up my opt-in form with the fields and text that I want. Save and continue. I'm going to select Klaviyo from the list of integration options. The first time you do this, you'll need to get your API key from Klaviyo. I already did that, so I'm just going to go ahead and create my results here. For each of my quiz results, I'm going to click Add Action, Add to Contact List, and choose the list that I just created, Skin Type Quiz. And then I'm going to create a custom field for this quiz result to populate into. So I'm going to call that Skin Type Results. And then I'm going to click Save and repeat that process for the other two results. Choose the list, then do skin type results. And the last one for combination, choose the list and skin type results. Make sure to type this in exactly because that's what's going to show up inside of Klaviyo. I'm going to save and continue. I can do this for answers to questions as well, but I'm not going to skip that for now. Save and continue. Save and continue. Make sure that my fields are mapped properly. Save and continue. Test integration. And I'm going to go ahead and test each of my three results. Send test lead to list. I'm going to put in my name. Test that one. I'm going to test each of these so that it populates those fields inside of Klaviyo. Send test lead. Okay, so now I'm done in Interact. I'm going to go back to Klaviyo and create segments for each of my results. So I'm going to go create a segment. Create segment. This is going to be dry skin. Here's my result. Select a condition, properties about someone, dimension. I'm going to scroll down and select skin type result equals, and I'm going to choose, what did we do? Dry skin. And create that segment. And then I'm going to go ahead and repeat that same process for the other two results. So create list, segment, oily skin, and is going to be skin type result equals to oily skin. Create segment. And one more time for the last one. Create list segment, and this is going to be for the combination. Combination. And is about someone. Skin type result equals combination. Okay, now I've got my segments created, and I can create a flow for each of those segments. So I'm going to go over to flows and click on create new flow. And I'm going to create from scratch. And I'm going to call this dry skin follow up. Create flow. And the trigger for that is going to be a segment. I'm going to choose segment. I'm going to choose dry skin and click done. And then I can send an email to somebody that is specific to the dry skin result. And I can do that for each of my three results. And that is how you send personalized email follow-ups automatically from a quiz created in Interact through Klaviyo.